Hello guys, welcome to the another part of the playlist. In this video we will implement whatever the theory we studied in the first video about the data cleaning. What are the steps we study? So in this video we will implement it. So the first data cleaning step what we study is the making everything in the lower case. So for this I will taking the first street and I am writing in the my variable sent. So what is my data frame? New df and text, and my first tweet is a 0 indexing, and what is my sentence? Our deeds are the reason of this earthquake, may Allah forgive us all. So I will make it in the lower case. So what I will do here, it is very simple. It is very simple. Just what you need to do here, send dot lower, and let's see. So it's everything become the lower case. So this is our the step number 1. What is our step number 2? Step number 2 is removing the stop words from our tweet. So for this, what you need to do, you need to be import the NLTK. You will need to be import the stop words from the NLTK. For this I do import NLTK, and from NLTK.corpus I am importing the stop words, and I am defining my stop words in the set form. So unique stop words should be there. So that is a stop words should be the English stop words dot words should be here. Okay, so that is my stop word, and I am writing the function remove stop words from my text. That is my argument, and it should return me join a word for word in text dot lower, okay, and dot split if word not in stop words, that it should return me. Let's run it with our sentence and let's see what the result we get. So we pass here the sent. So deeds reason may Allah forgive us. So are that things are they have no contextual meaning. So removing the stop words, remove it. But you can add some stop words from your side by doing the more analysis. What are the tweets? How the tweets say the word you is there. So you can add. You can create one list. You can add in this stop word set, and then you can remove it. That also one thing you can do. Now another thing what we do, we are going to do the stemming, and we are going to use the snowball steamer for doing the stemming. Stemming is basically, as I explained in the last video, it basically try to transform the word into the original form of the word, but not the exact form what we have in a dictionary. So we will use here the snowball steamer. So for this I create the variable and I load the NLTK.snowball steamer English, that is my steamer, and I write my function define steam my text. My variable is a text, and what it should return me, it should return me here dot join and steamer dot steam word for word in text dot split text dot split, that it should return me. So let's see what it will return, and we will pass here the stop. After the remove stop words, we pass here control C, control V and C. Okay, deed reason, see this is deeds. Now it will convert to the deeds. Here the reason earthquake, may Allah forgive us. So it's forgive, it transform into the forgive. It's remove the last e from this, so it is steam it. So that's how the steamer works. So what we did, we already did the lowercase, we removed the stop word, we perform the stemming. So this is basically a one kind of a set. Now next we going to write the function, that is the define noise removal. So for this word my argument is a text, and first I'm going to remove the punctuation. I can remove the punctuation, I should remove the multi-lines, then I should remove the numbers from my text. So these are the things. So this the function we're gonna write. First I will show you the one by one how we're going to do everything with the help of the regex. So first we are going to remove the HTML text from my tweet. So for this I am writing the text, I am using the regular expression, I am substitute it, and then it should be substitute. It actually here r means, small r means row string, and all these things you will get from if you go to this say this regular expression documentation. Okay, so this should be a what this should be. A r means row string, we have a row string consider having an HTML text. Question mark means it have a non-captured group, and the backslash means we are not sure that character has a special meaning or not, and then everything a to z, small a to z, 0 to 9 we put in a bracket, then we are substituted with the empty space, and we give here our say the text. So we say here give the new df and text, and say suppose I give the 100 index. So let's see first what the 100 index tweet we have, then we will see it. Okay, so it have an HTML text, so let's see it will remove or not. After this, yes, it is removed, this last tag is removed, and now this what we get. So this is basically r means row string, question mark means non-captured group, and backslash means we are not sure that there is a special character meaning or not, and we remove everything which containing this type of a character from capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, 0 to 9 number. So this is the first step, that we remove the HTML text from our tweets. So this is how we will implement in our function. So what you are going to do here, where is your function? You are going to remove the HTML tags. So you write here, this is the HTML tags you are removing. So what you are going to do, text is equal to re.sub, and what you are going to do here, you copy this row string and copy this fully, come here, and what in place of here, what you need to give, you need to give here text. Okay, so first you remove the HTML text. Before that, here itself you can make the lower casing as well, lower casing as well. So for this you need to do text is equal to text dot lower case lower, yeah, that's it. Then the next step is you have to be remove the tweets from your bracket. Suppose your tweets are inside the closed bracket, so you have to be remove that two bracket. For this what you need to do, text is equal to re.sub, you have to be give the backslash, then you have to be give the star means everything, then you have to be give the question mark, that is a non-capture group, then again backslash with here all things should be remove with the empty space, and here should be your okay, in this there is nothing, so you can give anything. So this is the reason this is the way how we remove the tweets from our bracket. Okay, but here is nothing, so just copy this one, and let's come to here. Before HTML text we will do this step here, and keep it here. Here you can keep the text here. Now come here and remove the punctuation, remove punctuation from your tweet. So how you remove the punctuation? So for removing the punctuation, we already have a string, and the strings have a punctuation. What we do, we substitute the percentage s with the escape. We are escaping the punctuation which are inside the your say inside the tweet, and we are returning our tweet. So how to do this one? Here you have to be come here and put it here, and then you have to be write here the text. So to remove the punctuation, you just simply come here and write here. Next what you can remove the numbers from your tweet. Now how to remove the number? Copy this here, it's very similar. You have to be right here re dot substitute, this is w will find any alphanumeric number, and backslash is already it will we are not sure to is matching the space, is we are not sure that character has a special meaning or not, and again it will match the alphanumeric number. If it is something like alphanumeric numbers we have, it should remove it from our tweet. So this is our the 1 2 3 4 5th step. This is now next thing what we can do. Similarly, we can clean the multiple lines from our tweets. So this is also one necessary noise removal step we have to remove the noise from our text. Then what you can do, already you remove the brackets, you remove the HTML tag, did the punctuation, remove the punctuation, remove the number, remove the multiple lines, then you can return your text. Okay, so let's check this function on our one tweet, how it will be. So we are checking on the 100 index tweets, how it will be. So new df, then it is a text, then it will be the 100. So it everything become the lowercase. It's not remove the stop word because we not call the stop word function. It not a stream also because we not call the streamer also. So let's call from here what we did here. The streamer function is here, and copy this code stream text and come here. So remove stop words, you pass the noise removal, and let's see how our text become. Okay, so at the rate Norway, this will become the police previous die, yeah, had previous see, this previously become the previous police become the polic, had it's removed, inner is removed. So this look little bit clean but not that much clean, but it's look nice, it's look nice to clean. So this all the function we will implement in our the data set to remove all the things. So let's do it. So we finally write one function which do these all the step, lowercase, remove tweets from bracket, HTML tag, punctuation, number from the tweet, multiple lines, remove the stop word, and do the stemming, and then it will return the text. So what we will do here, new df dot add, we see how it will, this data set will be. Okay, this data set, and we create here the text, and we should create the new text here, and this will be the apply to the new df text dot apply apply the pre-processing. So yeah, this is our the clean text look like that. Still we need little bit cleaning, that's we need to do. As I told, we need the domain knowledge, how we going to be implement the data pre-processing. But this is also the fine. If you again want to do kind of a data pre-processing, you can write some kind of a function with the help of this documentation, this whatever the things like you think, okay, I want to remove that one, so come to this documentation, see, do the control F, see what the functionality, and then implement it. It's very easy to do. And so our data is clean now. Now we can proceed in the next step of our case study. So mostly the next step what we're going to do, I will show you again the visualization with the help of the word cloud. So what's the word cloud, how we will implement in the Python, that's what we will discuss in the next video. Up to that, thank you and take care. Bye bye. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.